In this video, they're asking us to graph this linear inequality in one variable, and typically when you hear one variable, you may think number line. However, it says graph y less than or equal to -4 on a plane. It's not this kind of plane, rather it's a coordinate axis system. So the first step then, once we've established that it is, in fact, a linear inequality with one variable, we will first find our boundary line. We will replace our inequality with an equal sign and graph this linear equation. Y is equal to -4 results in a horizontal line, which as you can see is solid. And the reason it is a solid line is because the points that make up this line will be included in our solution set, since this inequality also has an equal of that boundary line. Next, we're looking for all other points that satisfy this inequality, and we want y values that are less than this line. Y values that are less than this line are below. So we're going to shade the lower half of this plane. And to verify whether or not this is true or not, we could pick a test value from the region, which we would expect it to be a true statement, but easier yet would be to use, say, the origin at 0, 0. We wouldn't expect a true answer, and just to plug that in, there's no place for x, but letting y equal 0, 0 is not less than -4. We got a false statement, and it is not part of our solution. We didn't expect it to be, since it wasn't part of the shaded region, and thus it verifies the shading that we've done is correct for this linear inequality.